Well, hey guys, I just got in this my Foldaway rechargeable fan. This is as seen on TV. You've seen these on TV. You've seen the infomercial probably. I got this on Amazon. It was $32.50 at the time of this video. But the main reason I bought this is we like to travel, and my wife likes to have a fan right there by her head, and this is very portable. But there's another reason: it's rechargeable. Now, you know, if you've ever been on a cruise ship, sometimes it's hard to run an extension cord across the across the room. If you're in a motel room, you don't always have the plugs where you need it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unbox this, and then we're going to just turn it on. We're going to check the different heights and just see if this thing is really worth the money. So let's open it up. Well, it does come with the owner's manual, and there's the cord to charge it with. Looks like it's that Type C, like on the new cell phones. I believe that's what it is. No, I don't think so. I think it's the older style. But anyway, it does come with a charging cable, and there it is. Now, first off, I can see it's small. I can put this on a suitcase, so I can like take it on a cruise ship or in a motel or on an airplane. Let's see. Let's open this thing up. All right. There we go. It's got a little deal right here. You just push down, that locks it into place. But you can see, pretty small. So that'd be real good if you want to set it on a headboard. Or you can actually make it even lower. You can turn it this way and it's even lower. Now it says it'll extend up to 40 inches. So let's see. Yeah, it's pretty tall. I mean, if you want to set it beside a bed, that would definitely do it if you didn't have a nightstand or anything to stand on. Well, let's turn it on. I don't know if it's charged or not. Let me lower it back down so you can see it. But it does have 3 speeds. Let me see where you charge it at. Yeah, there's where you plug it in to charge it. So let's see if it's charged up out of the box. Alright, it's not charged up, so let me charge it up right quick and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I got it all charged up. I want to go over a few things here so you'll know. First, here is what the cable looks like, the charging cable, and it's 5 foot long. Did a little research. Not only will it work when it's charged with a battery only, but if you actually have a plug, you can plug this in and use it off electricity. So if you're afraid you're going to run the battery down, it will work off of electricity just like a regular fan. To open this up, there's a little spot right here. You kind of stick and push, opens just up just like this. Then you can just raise it up, and right here, see, it'll fold down. This little piece right here, you just push it down and it locks it into place. Now, to turn this fan on, you push and you hold the number one. It's got 3 speeds. You push number 1 and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. It'll come in on less than 3. All right. When this fan is being charged, I don't know if you can see it, but you got 3 little lights. When it's less than 1/3 charged, all 3 of them will, blink in order. When it's about 2/3 charged, the first one will stay on, and the second and the third one will blink. And when it's fully charged, all 3 will stay on. And when it's being used, see, all 3 of them's on. That means it's fully charged. When it's about 2/3, then it'll only be 2, and then of course 1. Okay, there's speed number 1, and honestly, not bad. Let's flip it up to number 2. Hopefully you can hear. So far, it's pretty quiet. That's kind of what I like. And here's number 3. You put it up here close to the mic so you can hear it, or hopefully not hear it. But it is quiet, I will give it that. I know being able to just set this on a nightstand, you know, in a motel room or a cruise ship or traveling, and being able to, you know, put it in your suitcase to take it with you is going to be a real plus. Now to turn this off is just reverse order. You take number 1, push and hold it for 3 seconds. Fold it down, you just lift your little latch up. Folds right in. Of course, you got to make sure it's pushed clear down. Pushed clear down. Ready to travel. Now I'm going to stand beside this and let you see this right quick. Now I'm 6 foot tall, so I'm going to give you an idea of the height of this. I've got it fully extended. I know you can't see the top, but I'm fixing to stand up. Alright, I'm 6 foot tall, and there's where it comes on me, so that kind of give you an idea how tall this is. Well guys, if you're looking for just a little fan to travel with, or just set on your nightstand, or heck, you can even set it on the floor, being it extends 40 inches, and it's quiet, 3 speeds, this might actually be the fan for you. So hopefully you got some use out of this video. Hey, if you did, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Hey, please subscribe to my channel. Till next time, catch you later.